Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan GT, stock number E2219P. 47,000 miles on this Grand Caravan comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black Onyx in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, give you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Grand Caravan seats 7, leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row. Stow go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Lots of overhead storage with aimable LED lights and rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Windows do go down in the sliding doors along with power venting rear quarter windows. All rear windows have sunshades. Backup camera for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row, lots of space for cargo, or room for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Power sliding doors operate off the key fob, or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row, recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for latch system to keep child seats completely secure. This GT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry along again, and also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control, along with heated seats and heated steering wheel. Great for those cold winter days. Lots of storage space in the center console. And dual glove boxes overhead. Sliding doors and liftgate control. Home link transmitter for garage door opener. And conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. Very clean under the hood, as you can see. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance. Anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.